After Effects, New Composition. A composition is a size and a time. So if you were to think about a video, how big it is, or a TV, how big it is, or a computer monitor, how big it is. You can also think of a composition as a banner ad maybe on top of a web page. There might be a video that plays that's across there, and it's at a certain size. That certain size is a composition. And the length it plays is part of the composition. To start a new composition in After Effects, you can go New Composition. Now, to get started, we can choose a composition that's already laid out for standard TVs or HD TVs or DVDs, or we can go to Custom. And in the Custom, we can type in something like, let's say, 560 by 140. And you can see that works quite well. Now, it says lock aspect ratio to 16 by 9. Well, I can choose to take that off, and I can choose in anything that I want in here. Or I can keep it on. 16 by 9 is just a pleasant composition size as far as the ratio goes. Now, down below, I can also state the time. In this case, it's 30 seconds. That's one way to make a composition. Another way I found that's pretty handy is the fact that, let's say I have a web page, like let's say and I want to put a video composition here. Well, I would have a hard time trying to figure out what the size is because it's a web page, right? Well, I could always go like this. I can take and copy this header piece if I wanted to. Or I can do a screen measurement using Shift Command 4. Shift Command 4 will allow me to click and drag from one corner to the next. And this will take a picture of this area. Now, if I go back to After Effects, I can go File, Import, File, and choose that screenshot. And there it is. To make it into a composition, I can just click and drag it down onto the New Composition button. And there it is. Now that I have the size, I can then click the eye off, and I have now a blank composition matching the size requirement for that website. In this case, it's 872 by 258. I would have never guessed that. If I need to choose a new time, I can go to Composition Settings, and I can choose a new time here. I can also give it a new name. Alright, now that we have our beginning composition, let's look at maybe some other things in the next video.